Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications.
Hello friends, I'm Priti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. In India, every occasion or festival has one thing in common, and that's undeniably good food. Especially when it comes to a traditional festival like Holi, every region has something special. But Thandai and sweets are two things that are must-haves for Holi, anywhere and everywhere. For those who don't know what Thandai is, it's a refreshing drink made with a mix of dry fruits, spices and seeds. And well, fusion foods are so much in trend. If done well, they can do wonders. The Thandai Cashew Ball is one such amazing dessert which works so well for Holi. So let's try making it together.
So to make the Thandai Cashew Balls, we shall take 100 grams of cashew nuts, 40 grams of sugar and 40 ml of water. Basically, the sugar should be little less than half of the cashews and water should be equal to sugar. Also, we require the Thandai syrup 30 ml. Thandai syrup is easily available in the market and online. So first and foremost, we need to crush the cashew nuts into fine powder. And here we have the crushed cashew powder. In the second step, we shall make the sugar syrup by boiling equal amount of sugar and water. So first we shall pour water and sugar. Put the flame on high and keep stirring till the syrup thickens. Now the syrup is ready. Next, we reduce the flame and pour the Thandai syrup. Mix it well, and while the flame is low, we add the cashew powder. Mix it well till everything comes together into a paste. Like so. And it's ready. We shall switch off the flame and leave the paste to cool until it comes down to room temperature. Now our paste has cooled down and we shall make small balls from it. Like so. For garnishing, we have taken crushed unsalted pistachio and crushed rose petals, and we shall coat these balls with them. So first we shall coat a ball with crushed pistachio and the other one with crushed rose petals. And likewise we'll repeat the same with all the balls. Refrigerate them for an hour before serving. And they are ready. Thandai Cashew Balls. Best served with chilled Thandai.
This Holi, if throwing a Holi party is on your mind, then you are definitely at the right place. Try the fusion Thandai Cashew Balls. And if you do, don't forget to share your feedback with us. We love hearing back from you. And guys, it's Holi, the festival of colors. So all the Holi tips, do's and don'ts you can check by clicking right here. Bye for now and stay tuned for more cool videos and do it yourself. Make your festival as sweet as it can be.
For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.